la la. Oops, so I don't look like a complete idiot. Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I'll be testing Rihanna's own beauty line, Fenty Beauty. So until today, or clearly this point, actually I've never tested anything from Fenty Beauty, so I'm actually super excited. And as you can tell, I have already on my face the powder, the foundation, the concealer, all the base. So I'm gonna jump straight into the exciting part. And I'm gonna start up with the blush, and it looks like this. This is in the shade Vicky Martini, and it's a very bright pink shade. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Before testing, let's do a little ASMR moment. Ready? Let's go. Ah, satisfying, right? I'm just gonna grab my brush. Just gonna grab my brush and just dab a little bit. It's very tiny if you ask me. It looks like a little travel size sort of thing. I mean, I don't know. I've seen many people saying that it's like a travel size, but I don't know. But yeah, let me see. It smells... doesn't smell like anything. I like to smell things usually, and this is a very vibrant pink. And just let's put it on my cheeks. Okay, this blush is really creamy. The formula is very nice. It's super blendable and is really smooth. Like, I absolutely love it. We're off to a very good start, my darlings. I'm absolutely in love with this tiny guy. 10 out of 10. The next thing that I'm gonna test is Fly Pencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner, cause I'm black. And this is a very sleek eyeliner and it looks very fancy. I love the minimalistic thing. I mean, I think I'm the last person on earth to test this thing, but yeah, let's find out how good is the eyeliner from Rihanna. I guess you have to twitch a little bit. Okay, here we go. It's working. Hooray. I don't know how long it is, but usually I don't like to take it out too much because it happens to get accidents like destroying it. So I really want to like this guy and to last. So let's give it a go. I'll have to warn you, I'm not the best when it comes to eyeliners, and I just hope that it's gonna do the job. Okay, it's a little bit difficult to be honest because the thing is not very sharp, so it's not gonna do the best lines. I'm actually struggling a little bit.
2 hours later.
This eyeliner is definitely not doing any favors. I've tried it, but it's just not sharp. Like, the product is just like so difficult to get out of it. Like, you saw actually how difficult it is to do it. Like, I've tried once, twice, and it's nowhere to be seen. Like, look at this mess. What is this eyeliner? Seriously, this is a mess. I can't work with this. I'm so sorry, but this is a big no for me because it just can't. It's not there. It's not working. I'm quite disappointed with the eyeliner. The next I'm gonna try the big mascara, and this is Full Frontal cause I'm black, and it's a huge ass mascara. Like, I don't know how much it has, but it's not your tiny size, as you could tell. Let's see how this bad boy is gonna work. It looks humongous. Like, this applicator, this wand is just woo la la. I have high hopes, so let's do it. Okay, I think it's a nice mascara. I don't know, I just have mixed feelings about it, and you have to add like a couple of coats. That actually something to be seen, but yeah, I think I've tried better mascaras before, so not impressed. It's alright, but yeah, it's not going into my favorites. And now maybe the most exciting moment for me is to try the highlighter, which is absolutely gorgeous, and this is called Kilowatt Lighting Dust and Fire Crystal. It's an absolute gorgeous highlighter, as you could tell, and the size is much more better than the blush. I mean, it's actually a decent size, so I quite like it. It's beautiful. So I'm having a little bit of a struggle. I mean, they both look so beautiful, so I don't know which one to choose. Maybe just do a little bit of a mix, but I think I'm gonna go with the Fire Crystal. I mean, let me swatch a little bit. Wow, this is banging. And I love like it looks so luxurious. Wow, oh my goodness, this is insane. Oh wow, do you see this? Do you see this? This is incredible. Wow, it's like a wet effect. It's so pigmented. I'm absolutely in love with this highlighter. I think this is literally my favorite thing from all these products that I've tested so far, and this is absolutely beautiful. A little bit on my nose. I mean, I could easily apply with my finger, which is easier and much more effective. A little bit on my nose, and oh my goodness, this glow is insane. A little bit on my cupid's bow. And for the grand finale, I have a super gloss, which is in the shade Fussy, and I absolutely love this color. It's so beautiful. It's one of those glosses you see everywhere on TikTok right now, and I can't wait to test it and see why it's so popular right now. And let's be honest, it's unreal. Like, the shade is so beautiful, and the packaging and just like everything, you know, it's so lush. Love it. I'm so happy that the glosses are back in business, because I was kind of sick of all these mattes that you saw like everywhere. I mean, matte lipsticks. This just makes me so happy. And by the way, I did my eyebrows so I don't look like a complete idiot. Okay, this is very shimmery. Oh, and it smells so beautiful. It smells like sweets and candies, and just like, oh, I love it. I'm definitely in love with this gloss. It's so beautiful, and it gives just like a very nice color, like so subtle and so pretty. I'm in love. I love it. Like, I think it's my #1 favorite, and that's a very daring thing to say about something you just tested. Yeah, this is my finished look. What do you think about it, guys? I kinda love it. Everything was gorgeous except the eyeliner, which was a little bit of a failure. Is it normal for an eyeliner to be this dry? Like, look at this. How on earth am I supposed to apply it on my eyelids if it's so difficult? Oops. It's very dry, it's not gliding easily, like it's very difficult actually to put it on your eyes, and very, very hard to blend. Like, I've tried and it's just irritating my eyes at this point, I think, because my eyelids are not built for this hardness. But everything else is just like so pretty. I think Fenty Beauty is definitely worth your money, and this is not an ad. I wish it was an ad, but yeah, it's definitely gorgeous. I love it, and Rihanna is just like boss girl. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, to subscribe to see more of my future videos, and apart from that, see you next time. Mwah.